Google doesn't tell you about these settings, but they are active on your phone right now. Let me show you before it's too late. Hey everyone, welcome back to JK FutureTech, where we expose hidden Android secrets and smart tech hacks. Setting number 1. Go to Settings, scroll down, click on Google, Ads, Add Privacy. If Add Personalization is on, Google is building an interest profile about you. Turn it off. Reset Advertising ID. Say this step targeted tracking based on your behavior. Setting number 2. Location History. Go to Setting, scroll down, click on Location, Location Service, Location History. If this is on, Google save every place you visit. Turn off. Delete old timeline data. Your phone literally keeps a map of your life. Setting number 3. Nearby device scanning. Go to Setting, scroll down, click on Google, click Devices, Nearby device scanning. If this is on, your phone constantly searches for other devices. Turn it off. Setting number 4. Usage at Diagnostics. Go to Settings, scroll down, click on Privacy, scroll down, Usage at Diagnostics. This sends performance and usage data to Google. Turn off. Setting number 5. App permission most important. Go to Settings, scroll down, click on Privacy, scroll down Permission Manager. Check microphone, camera, location, set. Remove permission from apps that does not need them. Most people never check these settings, and that's exactly why Google does not talk about them. If this opened your eyes, like the video, subscribe to JK FutureTech, and comment part 3 if you want more hidden setting. See you in the next video.